Alright guys, we're going to get started. Good luck. 2014 Panini Playbook Football 5-box case break number 2. Or 5-box break. Excuse me. There are your teams. So we got the 5 boxes that I marked Sunday from the case we opened on Friday. All marked Sunday. The next 5 we'll do are on Tuesday. Can't break tomorrow night, so we're going to have to push it till Tuesday. Good luck, everybody. First box of Playbook. Good luck. Oh, nice. Thanks for joining in. First hit going to the Titans, number 99. Antonio Andrews. Acetate rookie auto. Going to the Titans and Chubb 7493. And we got a rainbow, number 49. Nice patch auto of Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. 3-color RPA. 47 of 49 on the Aaron Murray holofoil. It's a nice first box. Box number 2. We got a patch number 99, XO patch, Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals. Giovanni Bernard. And we got another holofoil, number 49, 3-color patch auto, Cody Latimer. Nice patches on those too. Forgot to say the team name. So the Chiefs is going to Big Spender Huge. The Denver Broncos is going to Teal 8612. And then the Bengals are going to ADAJG 2 score. And then the other hit was the Titans, which I said. The first box had a Aaron Murray patch auto and a Antonio Andrews rookie auto. And then that box had a Giovanni Bernard relic and a Cody Latimer booklet auto. Box number 3. Got a rookie auto, number 25 for the Niners, Jimmy Ward. On a Dogs 1952. 17 of 25. And a gold, number 99, patch auto, Taj Boyd for the Jets. Going out to S&J Card Shop, the Jets. Taj Boyd. Box number 4. You got a nice patch, 2 colors, number 25 gold, Cam Chandler. Going to the Seahawks and card Fly High, Cam Chandler. And number 299, jersey auto, Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. Going out to Miami and T.O. U-Haul 4. The Dolphins.
Anybody that doesn't get a hit will be sure to send a pack of football cards.
I'll link that to you, S&J, right after this. Let me just put in the chat. No problem. Yep, I can pause. Let me know when you're back. So we got personal breaks of Prism Football, Playbook, and Valor if anyone's interested in a personal break after this. Yep, can I see that Cam Chancellor real quick? Number to 25. Just waiting on someone in the chat. No problem. Let me know when you're ready to go, One Red. I'll do this last box. No problem. A little drama on the last box. Anticipation. This is the last box, One Red. I saw your message and paused on the last box. I didn't see it until this box though. I can do a recap if you want, or else you just want to see the full video. It'll be uploaded pretty quickly. We got an XO patch number to 25 of Marquise Lee Gold for the Jaguars. Going to TWR 2000. And a booklet number to 299 patch auto Mike Evans. Nice. 5 pretty solid boxes there. Going to Tampa Bay and Florida Boy 7. All 5 had booklet autos. It's pretty good. Alright everyone, that was a break. Thanks for joining. We'll get the hits shipped out right away. Like we said, if you don't get a hit, be sure to include something as a bonus. And the next Playbook 5-box break is on Tuesday night. And then Valor 6-box case on Tuesday night. So we're back on Tuesday night for more breaks. If anyone wants to stick around and do a personal break of Prism, Playbook, or Valor, let us know. Yeah, those are pretty solid $5. Couple nice rookies in there.